This is Kapa musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn C sharp major bar chord. Okay, everybody. So C sharp major bar chord. So you put your finger on the 4th fret, and then you put your second finger on 6th fret, 4th string. Third finger goes on 6th fret, 3rd string, and pinky finger goes on 6th fret, 2nd string. Alright? And that's your C sharp major bar chord. Now make sure you put your thumb in the middle of the fretboard, not like this or not like this. You put too much strain on your wrist and you're not going to achieve the results that you want. And it has to go like across, right in the middle. You see that? Okay. And then what you do is you leave space here, and then you have your fingers already like hammers, so you do have a good grip on the notes, so it doesn't sound like this. Just to let you know, if it hurts while you're pressing like this, if you're a total beginner, you use your fingertips and they start hurting in the first month, that is really good because you're doing it right. And that's how you're gonna get calluses, then you're gonna get used to it, and you're gonna become more advanced. And that's it, my friends. That's C sharp major bar chord. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, and press a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.